As we went into the conceptual design process especially, we looked at different ways that we could still have a traditional classroom environment, yet still achieve some of these goals and visions that we had for the learning that was going to go on here. And I think we probably met all those goals in one way or another. I'm Jacob Berg. I'm the principal here at Lydiksen Elementary School. This is my 9th year as the principal here and my 19th year at the school site. In 2016, we passed a bond measure for our school district, and as part of that measure, Lydiksen was slated to have a complete modernization and rebuild. And it's tricky too with a project like this because we were doing the rebuild, the modernization, all the construction while we had students on campus. And there was a lot of phasing involved in that, and mostly the phasing was we were going to move out of these buildings and do this part, and then we would move back into those buildings and then do this part, and there were a lot of moving pieces, and those things did change along the way. And that was probably the most challenging part of the whole thing, was the phasing and going through that and still maintaining a school environment where you could have 600 plus students here every day and ensure that it's still a positive environment and it's safe and everything. And you know, some days were more challenging than others, but we've pretty much got there. So last night we had our annual open houses, which where we invite the entire community to come and check out our classrooms, and that's just something that we do every year. But last night was the first time that the community has been able to come on and see all of our new buildings kind of all at once, where there's no construction fences or big trucks or anything else going on here. And several times last night I heard remarks along the lines of how beautiful it was, how the community appreciated the open spaces that are between our buildings, and there were even a few folks who commented that it looked like it was a college campus. I think the area that I'm most proud about and most excited about each day when I get here is our kindergarten area, which is behind me. So one of our goals at the beginning of this project was to bring that area together, to have all those classrooms together, have a shared play area, and they have their collaborative spaces together. And I think we really hit it with that building in that area. I think this campus in our district especially is without equal. I think that we have the best classrooms here, the best facilities, hands down. We are a model now for the rest of the school district and maybe the Tri-Valley area at large, and it's because the voters said yes to it and that it was important to them and it was a priority to them, and I'm very thankful that they voted for that in 2016, and I'm hoping that we continue to support big projects like this because our districts and all of our schools need a lot of work.